Cuando vos quieras hablar, le aprendes.
Okay. In the next part, we have this. In the guide practice. Okay, in the guide practice, we have this. Solve each problem, use counters or draw a picture, then write an equation. Okay, in the first part, we have Tim write 9 stories. He writes 3 fewer stories than Daisy. How many stories did Daisy write?
Se pagó.
Okay, so how many, we have this, the number 9, that is the 9 stories that Tim wrote. Then we have the number 3, that is the 3 fewer stories than Daisy. So we're going to sum. How many is 9 plus 3?
12.
Remember, we can, listen, yes. Remember, we can draw circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, to know the results. And then draw the other 3 circles, 1, 2, 3, and count all of them. We can know the result. So 9, trust the number 9, plus 3. How many is 9 plus 3?
12.
Excellent. 9 plus 3 is 12. Remember, we can draw circles to know the result. We can draw circles to know the result. Okay?
Okay.
In the next exercise, we have Cherry read 6 comics books. Dolly read 5 more comics books than Cherry. How many comics books did Dolly read? What is the first number that we have? 6. So in the first line, we're going to write the number 6. Which sign we're going to write? Plus or minus?
Plus.
Circle, we're going to write plus. What is the second number that we have?
5.
In the second line, we are going to write a number 5. So, how many is 6 plus 5?
11.
Excellent. And how we know that? How we know that? We know that 5 plus 5 is 10, right? 5 plus 5 is 10, right? Yes? And 5 and 5 plus 5 are doubles? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, are doubles. Yes. Okay, we have 5 plus 5, but there is missing a number because in the equation we have 6 plus 5. What we can do? Okay, to this 10, we can plus 1. How many? 10 plus
12. No.
11. Excellent. 11. So 6 plus 5 is? How many is 6 plus
11.
11. Yes. Write it, please.
Finish.
Finish?
Yes. Yes. Que ya lo tenía hecho. Si me lo apagas.
Everybody, Fabricio, did you finish? Fabricio, did you finish?
I finished. Miss.
Yes.
Pero es que yo ya lo hice.
Which one? This part. We didn't do it. We just do it the first page. The last class, we just do it this. La última clase solo hicimos esta página. Y hasta ahí llegamos. No avanzamos.
Pero yo ya hice esta.
And the next page? Did you do the next page? ¿Hizo la siguiente página también?
Esta.
Ajá. The independent practice, all right? Or yes, but I didn't say it. No lo dije, just we finished until this. Solo terminamos hasta esta, la clase pasada. Y no dejé
La hicimos anoche.
La hicimos anoche.
Ah, okay. Okay, don't worry, it's practice for you. It's a review for you. Okay, finish? Es un repaso para usted, okay? So you need to answer the question that I'm asked. Okay, in the next part we have the independent practice. Okay, solve the problems with object drawings or an equation. Show your work. In the exercise number 3 we have Tracy buys 10 buttons on Monday. She buys more buttons on Tuesday. Now she has 19 buttons. How many buttons did Tracy buy on Tuesday? What we're going to do first? Okay, we have the number 10, that she buys 10 buttons on Monday. We can draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. Then with a color, we're going to write. Did you finish?
Yes. Yes.
We're going to write the rest parts because we need to know about how many buttons she buys on Tuesday. In total, we have 19. So we are going to draw 9 buttons in color red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
In color red.
Yes, the color that you want. We have the result. The result is 19. The result is 19. How we can use, which number we can use to has the result 19? We can use the number 10, that is in the first circle, plus how many circles we have in color red?
9.
So we have, how many is 9 plus 10? How many is 10 plus 9 or 9?
19.
Excellent. So in the line, we are going to write the number 19. Okay?
Me pasé. Ya le tengo que enseñar inglés a usted también.
Did you finish?
No. Yes.
Okay. Tracy Tracy buys 19 bottles on Tuesday. This is the result, 19, the number 19. Yes, it's very hot. Finish?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
excellent. In the second exercise, we have 10 has 9 coins. 10 has 6 fewer coins than Owen. How many coins does Owen have? What we are going to do? In the first part, we're going to draw the 9 coins from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 10. There are the 9 coins from 10. Then, in color, we're going to draw the 6 fewer coins. In color red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
9.
fewer than Owen.
No.
Solo uno tenías que borrar.
Finish? Okay, then we have the 9 from Jens. 9
Tengo que escribir eso.
are the 9 coins. We're going to add plus or minus. Plus.
6.
9 plus 6 equal. Now we are going to count all the circles. We're going to count all the circles. How many?
4, 2,
15. Excellent.
5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Now,
6,
in the line, we're going to write the number 15 coins. We need to count all the circles that we draw. 1, 2,
7 solo 6. Ahí está bien. 6. Ahí está bien. 6.
10,
Ahora tengo
11,
que
12,
escribir eso.
13, 14,
Sí.
15. So at the end, we have 15 coins. Finish?
Yes.
In the exercise number 5. Excellent. In the exercise number 5, we have 14 cans are on the table. 5 cans are big and the rest are small. How many small cans are on the table? We're going to draw 14 circles because it's the total. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, 14.
Ella sabe lo que sabe.
We are going to touch with color. We're going to touch the 5 cans that are big because we need to know about what are the smalls, how many smalls we have. So we're going to touch 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
14.
Touch 5. So how many circles we have at the end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many we have?
9.
9.
9.
We have 9. So how many cans are small?
9.
Because 14 minus 5 equal how many? 9. Yes or no?
19.
Minus the plus. Minus. It's minus because we mark with the X. This one.
Menos. 9.
It's
Menos.
9. 19, no. 9.
7, 8, 9.
Yes, 9. Write a number 9 in the line.
Finish.
Finish?
Yes.
Finish, María Fernanda. Alan. Fernanda, Alan. Fernanda,
Mande.
I finish.
excellent.
Finish, miss.
Excellent, Matías.
Finish, miss.
Excellent, Fernanda.
Finish.
María Fernanda.
One number. Miss.
Yes.
One number face.
The next is 140. The next is 140. Next page. 140. Okay, I'm going to pass the page. Okay, we have this. Problem solving. Solve each problem below, okay? Leland cuts out 12 flowers. In total, we have 12, the number 12. How many can he color red? And how many can he color yellow? Okay? In total, we have 12. We're going to draw 12 circles, okay? One, draw 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Te vas a confundir
9,
con los tuyos ahí los que vas.
7, 12. I draw 12 circles.
5, 6,
Yes.
7, 8.
12 circles. You need to know how many are in color red and how many are in color yellow. Okay? We are going to divide it. Yes or no?
Con el lápiz. Yo tengo una piscina.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. In total, we have 12. In the first line, we're going to write a number 12 because it's the total, is the number that we have, 12. So we need to know how we can have the result 12. What? With which numbers?
7.
Okay.
7. 7, Flora.
We can use 7. Yes.
Flowers.
We can use 7. Tell me other number that we can add and sum 12.
6.
6. 7 plus 6 is 12.
No.
No, we need a few more numbers.
11.
11. 7 plus 11 is 12.
5. 9.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until here. What is the rest of the number? Count the rest of the numbers. Count.
5.
1. How many?
5.
5. We have 5. How many is 7 plus 5? How many is 7 plus 5? We have all the circles. Count.
12.
Excellent. So in the first line, we're going to write 7. And in the other one, we're going to write 5. So in the circle, we're going to add the sum. 7 plus 5 is 12. So in this part, we're going to write 7 red flowers and 5 yellow flowers. We divided the circles to have the results.
Pero mi Fatira, ¿dónde hacemos las flores?
Which ones? No, you can draw circles in the square, Hasse. In this one. Page 140, 140. In this part.
In this part. Okay.
In the square, you can draw your circles. Don't worry for the flowers. You can draw circles. Puede dibujar círculos. Finish?
Yes.
Excellent. In the other part, we have this. Higher order thinking. We have Nicole scored 8 goals this season. She had 9 fewer goals. How many goals did Julian score? Write the problem using the word more. Nicole scored 8 goals this season. Julian scored. We're going to know it. Write it. 9 more. Write it in the lines. You have a lines, right? You need to write it. 9 more. 9 more. 9 more. 9 more goals. 9 more goals. 9 more goals. Then Nicole.
Ready?
And period. 9 more goals than Nicole. We write it in the line. Okay?
Tal vez mi cuerpecito, porque si no se me hubiera
Finish?
hecho. No.
If the class ending, I'm going to send you the other link for the other class in Zoom.
¿Quién? La Juana.
Finish? Yes, finish?
No. Yes.
Okay, excellent.
No los
In the exercise A, we have the assessment practice. We have this. Dan
Finish, miss.
Okay, excellent. In the number 8, we're in the number 8. This one. Okay, we have Dan drinks 6 more glasses of water than Becky. Becky drinks 5 glasses of water. How many glasses of water did Dan drink? How we are going to know this? We have the number 6 and we have the number 5. 6 plus 5 is? Which one is the correct? A, B, C, or D?
B.
Which
B.
one? B. Why? Because we have the number
B.
6. We have the number 5. 6 plus 5 equal 11 glasses of water. So the correct is the letter B. Because we have the number that give us in the solving problem. 6 plus 5. We add. Okay, finish?
Como si fuera la D o la C o la A.
Letter B. Number C and number D and number A, no. Yes, letter B. Finish?
Yes. Finish, miss.
Excellent, Matías.
Entonces, ¿cómo hay dos? Es que se le mandó Ay, quiero que me...
Para ninguna, pero similar a psicología.
Everybody finish?
Yes.
Excellent, Alejandra. Natalie? Ashley, did you finish? Excellent.
Yes.
Okay, after that you need to look for the page 146. 146. 146.
146.
146. 146.
146.
Yes, 146.
Finish. 146.
Yes, 146.
146. Esto es 1, 4, 6.
Yes, Matías.
Okay.
Aquí no, aquí solo rayitas.
Hombre.
Miss Katherine, vamos a ver un video.
Let me check. Let me check, Hazel.
Un círculo dice el verdadero o falso.
I'm looking for the part.
Dice el doble plus factor. Falso.
Okay. In this part, we have the understand vocabulary. Just let me show you. Estoy esperando que cargue mi libro.
Pues no, pues sí, pues no. Pues no.
This one, right?
Ahí.
Is this the page? Yes, right? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Circle true or false. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Is a double plus fact? True or false? Is a double plus fact? Remember, in the doubles, we have the two numbers that are the same. And if we have plus, it's meaning that we add just one more. But 10 plus 5 is a double plus?
No.
Yes, igual.
Because double plus, just we add one number. And if
Iguales.
you have
No,
that
igual.
number,
Es igual, porque si pongo
okay? It's false. You need to circle the word false. In the number 2, we have circle true or false. In the equation below, 8 is the whole. 8 is the whole. True or false? Is the whole. True or false? 8 is more than 10. 8 is more than 10. 8 is more than 10. Who has more, 10 or 8? Who has more? Who has more, 10 or 8? Who has more than 10? 10. Okay, so the number 8 is not the whole, so it's false.
Es falso.
False, because the number 8 is not the whole. The
Mire,
number 10 is the whole. Yes, because
El
10 is
10 es
more
mayor.
than 8.
Entonces es falso, porque me dice que si el
False,
8
yes, because the number
No.
8 is fewer.
es mayor que el 8.
It's less.
es menor.
Excellent. Okay, in the number 8, in the number 3, show how to make 10 to add 8 plus 6. Make 10. Remember, to make 10, we use a rectangle. To make 10, we use a rectangle. Remember the rectangle. Okay? And we divide it in 5. 1, 2,
Más
1, 2,
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we pass a line in the middle.
Muestra cómo hacer 10 para agregar.
Exacto. Show how to make 10 to add 8 plus 6. So in the first line, we're going into the rectangle. We're going to draw 8 circles in color red. 8 circles in color red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because it's the first number that we have. Then with other color, we're going to add 6 circles. 1,
Marca
2,
adentro, no.
3, 4, 5,